wrapping paper. And this is just a box that we turn into an oven. Here you'll see that I just stuffed some piping bags with some napkins. And a lot of these toys that you'll see today are by Melissa and Doug. I'll put some links down below for the table that I use as well as some of the toys. This is a cash register that we use. It actually really adds and subtracts. And I just filled this with some yellow streamers. And a little mini Keurig for some added fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time with us today, and I hope that you have fun making your bakery.